In today's video, I'll show you how to change the audio output on your Nintendo Switch 2. Let's get into the method. If you have multiple audio devices, you might want to choose which one is used. On the Switch 2 home screen, head to the System Settings app, and then scroll down until you are in the section called Audio. Within here, look for the Audio Output Source option and select this. You can now choose the device you want to use, so you could choose the console speakers or headphones. The automatic option should use any connected sound devices, but if this isn't right, just choose the device you want to use. If you don't see your device here, try reconnecting it, check that it's connected correctly, or test to see if it works on another device. That's how to change the audio output on your Nintendo Switch 2. Thanks for watching. If you found the video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips. Check out the videos coming up right now, you might find these helpful too.